Hi, hello everyone. I'm in Allepy again this week. So I'll be showing you a backwater boat riding. This is a backwater location at Allepy, which is around 25 kilometers from Allepy town. Right, so you can take from Allepy railway station. It might be 25 kilometers. This is a backwater and a beautiful location. So you can come here and have your boat ride. So now I am just going for a boat ride for 1 hour, and for 1 hour for this boat riding they will be charging 600 rupees. So actually today is a strike in Allepy, so that is the reason there won't be much crowd here. Nobody is here. So we have requested one boat rider to give us a ride for 1 hour. Yeah, so one of the beautiful place, must visited place in Allepy. If you are planning and coming to visit, so you must and should visit this backwater location, backwater boat riding point. So you can have the boat ride at backwaters. See how beautiful and peaceful. So you can have a relax, your body and mind can be relaxed in this particular location and in this particular boat ride. Yes, it's getting started. Chalo. This is a small boat of 4 plus 4, 8 people can sit here. He is experienced boat rider. Okay. Yes, you can see the ride has started. So today is a solo ride. Nobody is there. Today is a strike day in Kerala. So no crowd. Everywhere it is a holiday for tourism, traveling, for everything. So these are backwater resorts. So you can stay here, and these are the boat houses. Right. So if you want to know more about boat houses, you can visit my previous video. So I posted Allepy boat houses video in Suman Vlogs. So you can check, and you can also check my video on Allepy beach. Those are my previous videos. You can always visit to Suman Vlogs and check detailed information about Allepy boat houses, and you can have a look at into Allepy beach. See, these are the backwater resorts. So if you are planning to visit Allepy, so you must visit this backwater water reservoir place, and then you can have this boat ride. So then you can stay here with the family, friends, maybe for honeymoons you can visit. we had a trouble to start the boat initially, but now it's okay, it's moving well. So you can see the 360-degree view everywhere. It's full of water. Very beautiful view, very beautiful and peaceful. So it's a relaxation to mind and body. So forget everything and just enjoy this water flow and the beauty of the nature. So Kerala, it's a really, God's own country. So God's own country means it really owns own country of God. See how beautiful it is. Very beautiful, awesome. These are the private houses at the backwater reservoir side. So people are very lucky, especially Kerala people and the Allepy people. So they are in God's own country. So just enjoy the nature. Very peaceful. So this particular boat ride, for 1 hour he charged 600 rupees. So it's worth to enjoy in the nature. 600 rupees for 1 hour is okay, because looking into the petrol cost. It is a petrol boat. So here people are using the boats for travel, one town to other town. You can travel like Allepy to maybe Kottayam, Kollam. I think Kottayam we can travel through boat from here, and some people they travel in the boat for work also. How beauty it is. See, the boat is going from that side. It might be a personal boat, I mean their family boat. So they will go for their work on that boat and then they will come back. That is like a family boat. Family boat. Private family boat. So they will go for work and they will come back in the boat. So again, this is a houseboat point, boat houses. So they'll come and park here and every evening if you're planning to, like, travel in a boat house. There's a day package, like it's a day package and night packages are available. So maybe 1 day, 2 day or 3 day, 2 nights, 3 days, 3 nights, 4 days, like that. So they will take you a tour in this particular water from morning 10 a.m. to evening 6. So then they will stop at some particular place in the evening and you can stay in the night also in the same particular boat. So this is one of the boat point, the boat house point. Yes, I was silent for a bit, to I want you all of you to enjoy the nature view and this water. So keep watching. It's a nature and beauty of Kerala. This is particularly Allepy. Yes, this place name is exactly, it is Kuttanad. So the Kuttanadu, you can Google it for more information. So Kuttanadu is the lowest point of India to the sea level. From the sea level, the elevation is 2.2 meters below to the sea level it is. So which is situated in Kerala, in between Allepy and Kottayam districts. So you can Google it for more information. This is the lowest point. So this is the other point. So you can see in between the houses, see the people are staying here in between this backwater. So for them, everything is water. So they will use this water to bath, clean the clothes, utensils, and this is also the food and income source for them. This water, so, they will ride these boats every day, and they will get the income from the tourists, and how that's how they survive. Very beautiful. See, you can see the house inside the water, right? So somebody is cleaning the utensils, and somebody is bathing here. So we have rented this boat for 1 hour. And what is the time now? Still how much time we have?
2:35.
Oh, lot of time. We can enjoy, no problem. Private houses. So the mode of transport is boat. See, they have 2-3 boats per house, so they can go via boat only. The mode of transportation, because they're in between water. Mode of transportation is boat. Income source is boat. Then they will use all this water. Beautiful place to visit. It's a must visit place in Kerala, Allepy. So right, it's Kuttanadu, which is a very lowest place to the sea level in India. See, again it is a corner side. People are having private houses. So right, they'll be staying, the corner side of this backwater reservoir. The private houses, and there's a boat point. You can see the movement of boat houses. There are various boat houses are moving with the passengers, with the travelers. Very beautiful place. I am sure you might be enjoying through the video. You may not be physically present here, but I want you to give you that feeling. You will be physically presenting here. So feel the presence. So you feel that you are physically presented here, so that you can enjoy and relax your mind and body for some time. And whenever your vacations are there, whenever you want to go anywhere, this should be on your priority. So you can keep it in your priority in your traveling and tour list, so you can visit whenever you want to plan, go for a tour. So you can come with the family, friends, maybe the office colleagues. whatever the choice, but this is a must visit place in Kerala. Very beautiful, awesome. It's all nature, nature, enjoying the nature in God's own country. It's awesome, beautiful. You can see the boat house is moving, and tourists are enjoying at the top floor, sitting at the top floor of boat house, and they are just enjoying. There are so many private boats are also moving around. The private boat, when they will go for their work, they will go for their daily needs, one place to other place, they will travel in their personal boat. See, this is a river Olga family boat. So you can see there are 2-3 families are inside, and they are just enjoying. You can see he is a captain of our ship, captain of our boat, very experienced man. So he is very comfortably riding this boat. Awesome. You can see this is one more connect point. Rather, speed boats are available here, so you can have a ride in the speed boat. Yes, we have completed almost one hour ride, so it's come to again an end point. So enjoyed the nature a lot for 1 hour. Kuttanadu backwater boat rides. Kuttanadu backwater boat rides, which is the lowest place to the sea level in India. So captain is parking the boat. Experienced, great captain. So we are going back to Allepy. Yes. Right. So how many kilometers from here?
10 kilometers.
10-15 kilometers? Okay. So it's a beautiful place. So this is like this is Kuttanadu.
Yes.
So if we want to enjoy nature, we have to come here, right? This is a nature.